sure? Yeah. Don't shoot then.
If you don't have a clear target, don't fire.
Use your comms, don't talk a bit loud. No, not you. I'm on a separate walkie, don't I? I ain't got those comms. I need to get myself a radio, proper radio. It's probably for me. What channel are you on? Yeah, probably. I'm thinking. It's built up, isn't it? Yeah. I'm gonna get on my belt up near a tree and see if I can get. Danny, you on comms? Psst, your comms on. You just have to press orange, hold for a second and then talk. Pop it on the side up there because we're going to stay here and defend. Yeah. Yeah, Danny, we're getting shot at now. Everywhere, I think. Changing mag. Yeah, shit, we're getting shot at. Got shot. That's it, Danny, get some. I swear I shot that guy 3 times. No. Oh shit. Careful. You got one literally directly in front of you into the dark bit. I'm going to move right. You've just got 3 guys from our team who have just been shot on the left of you, so watch your back. This is so cute, I love you. Can you see where I am? Literally, look at my hand. Negative, you want the high ground. I've been spotted, I'm moving. These guys aren't taking their fucking hits. 6 times I shot him. Directly there, but they're not taking their hits. I just... Cool.
Right, shall we go around?
I think I've lost Adam, he's on his belt. He's hit. Good shot, well done. Right. Fuck this shit. No, Rich is taking that. If we go anywhere, we go right to try and get the tank.
There's right behind him. Okay.
No, can't see.
Right, shall we go over to the right?
Adam, we're going to go take the tank, see if we can get anywhere. Do you want to come or are you going to stick? Yeah, please. Up to you.
Yeah, I know. It's so shit, isn't it?
I could use your... Right. Yeah, let's go. Movement, movement. See his, yep, his tape. It's coming on there. Copy that, I think we're about to get everyone anyway. Friendly's at 12. How's it going?
Right in that corner over there, you see behind the big tree on the front.
Well, our objective is to get the tank, so we don't need to get the tank, so I might go belt buckle it.
We had a guy here, but I think he's gone down. And if you go through the speaker, right?
Yeah.
Across there, and if you try and get him down.
Right, I'm going to move in front of you. Right, Danny, stick with the guy with the patch on. I was just speaking to you. And see if you can hit that guy. I'll show you where it is. Negative, hold back. Get some. Moving left. Okay, Danny, if you can get to me, come to me. If you can get to where I am, come to me. Say what? Say what? That guy's gone back. No, he's gone. want us to see if we can peel around right, get the flank.
Round right side.
Touching that. Right across my legs. Right. Got a little flanking plan. Basically, we go around there where these guys push into the woods.
Following you?
Yeah.
Right.
Little flank.
You can cut down to the woodland there. My guessing is, you've seen about 3 or 4 of us, we're going out to the woods and maybe try to get a flank and sneak past us
That's
together.
what those guys are going to do. They're going to push in there, so we're going to sort of pincer
Yeah,
it.
because it goes through like a gully, which is pretty heavily wooded, and it's actually quite good cover.
Yeah.
And not many people actually go in there because it's so dense. If you get on the left, there's a bit of a ditch, and then you go straight up to the side of the church.
Copy that.
I've only seen one contact signal there. I don't know what you guys are shooting over there. So it's like over there.
No, there's two we saw dotting in around there, but I had one guy pinned there and then he's moved to join him. Don't know if those guys were hit over there, but now I'm going to see.
Get up down right here.
Flanking right. Can you see me? Okay, fuck it, we're just going to move on right. Cover around it and shit. Watch out for snipers. Yeah, the guys on the left are pushing in now, so they might flush them out. So the guys have just pushed in. There's a fuckload of gunfire going from there. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Danny, there should be a pathway to your right. Do you want to go get on that pathway? It might be a bit further down. We're going to see if we can take the church. God, I'm sweating. Contact left, contact left. I'm so badly pinned right now. I've no idea, he's in the left, in the bushes. Copy that. Copy that. You still on comms? Ooh. Sniper! Danny, you still on comms? Danny, you still on comms? You got a sniper literally to the left of you. I can't even see you. No, I can't see shit, but I just heard it fly past my head. I'm and weapon malfunctions with Danny. No backstop working. Yeah. Dragonfly, you need to run to the tree to my right. I'm just going to go on fully auto. Yeah. Ready? Run past me. 3, 2, 1. Shit. Fucking hell, damn it. No, it's okay, I've got mags. Fucking... There's a sniper in there, there's some guy with the Raider. I think it sounds like the Raider. Your gun's fucking loud, by the way. Yeah. Yeah. Huh? I don't know. Tags! No. Fuck. Yeah, Danny is fine. I'm so upset right now.